Nice day out. I think it's a good day to start cleaning up the shop. Been doing a lot of stuff out there and I haven't cleaned up as I went, so it's time to clean up. But I'll give you the little tour. And who's that playing the harmonica? Hey, I need to do some shop cleanup. As everybody knows, you can only go so far, and then you have to start cleaning up things. I have got a lot to do here because I've stored a bunch of stuff in here before I went on my little motorcycle trip, which if you take a look right up here, there's a little clip from the Willville motorcycle camp where I was at last weekend, and I spent a lot of time preparing for it. And then when I started to leave, I brought a bunch of stuff into the store, and so I'm moving some of those things out. So let's come on over here. I'm basically a hoarder, a collector of things. Some things I collect, I plan to use later, and they're good things, they still work. Some things I collect because of sentimental reasons. So when I was getting ready to get all my camping gear for the trip, I discovered I had an old air mattress inflator. It's you plug it into a cigarette lighter and it blows up air mattress. Now that's something that works, but I don't need it anymore. I haven't used it ever. So I'm just going to take that to the thrift store. Maybe they can let somebody else have it. Same thing goes for this blow dryer. Oh, it looks like it's 60s vintage with this red and white design on it, but it works fine, and I kept it for a special purpose, but I found it in the bottom of my camping gear box, and I haven't used it ever. So I'll take these two things and take them to the thrift store. I'll station them right here on the seat of my bike. And I also found in my laundry room an old motorcycle shock. That thing's heavy, a lot of steel there. If I lay that out on the street, it's worthless because it's worn out, but it's got a lot of weight in it, and somebody collecting metal can get that. All right, as I move over here to this quadrant of this space out here, I come to a work table here that's constantly getting cluttered up. There's my dustpan and stool. My bicycle's here where I stored it while I was gone. I have constantly laying stuff over here. These are some mat board corner samples I need to chop up. This is an intervalometer for my camera. All sorts of old pictures that I've used for projects. Just things laying around. Toilet paper. And I have to put these things in a place that's different from where they were before. I've been having this process the last couple of days after returning from that trip of recuperating, resting up. And today is mildly better. The temperatures are a little bit cooler, but I'm feeling a little bit more perky and rested, although not completely back yet. So I think I need to get things reorganized and get back into that redoing that print that I flubbed up on the week or two before I left. So come over here to my paint table, and I'll show you what I got to move around over there. I haven't done too much painting lately, but this table over here kind of is another catch-all area, and I've got these paints all laying around here, and collecting dust. That tells you how much painting I've been doing. And here there's a box of miscellaneous things, batteries, and I probably should just store them back up here on the shelf and get them out of the way. I put these boards. I've got these boards that are future shelving pieces for the studio somewhere. A long piece of loose canvas that I eventually will use to stretch to make a painting, hopefully. So I don't want to throw that away. I just need to store it somewhere else for future. My drawing table, my drawing table behind me, it's pretty much static. I haven't worked on much over there except signing prints the last couple of months. Oh, look at here. See, I've left my brush soaking into in a jar of kerosene. The brush that I used for putting polyurethane on my silkscreen frames like 2 weeks ago. So it's things like that I just leave laying around, and so I need to get this kerosene out of it, and then put it over there in the sink, wash it off good with a degreaser, try to salvage that brush, and get a lid for this, a lid on that kerosene. I got to move these out of the way, probably back over there somewhere in that corner. There's my kerosene, and I can kind of put these back over here like this, get them out of this work area. Then over there's my saw. I got sawdust everywhere where I was cutting the frames. Let's go over there. Oh. Canvas just fell off of the easel as I moved away. So let's step over here to my oh, guess who's asleep over here? Kitty, kitty, kitty. I'm fixing to clean up over here. You want to get up? You want to get up and go outside somewhere where it's cool? I'm fixing to vacuum this area. I'm going to take this vacuum out of here. Make a lot of noise. I don't think you'll like that much. I woke you up. You got sawdust all over you. Say hello. Say hello. Say meow, meow, meow. All right. Go find you another place to lie down. So this is my miter saw, and I work in cutting wood over here, frames, and lumber sometimes. So I need to plug this in and do a little vacuuming. La-di-da-di-da. Quite noisy. Oh, there goes Frida. She said, I've had enough of this. I've had enough of this game. So, So I'm going to do a little bit more of that, but it gets boring pretty fast. And still haven't got my pegboards all nailed up on the wall good, but I have to get me some more hooks to finish using that as a proper pegboard storage. And that's what I'm doing. I do what I can today and see how far I get till I get tired. Then I go rest some more. It's supposed to be a nice cool week coming up, so maybe I'll get more done. But next week, hopefully, I can get into that print, do that print again. Yeah.